Handyman walking with Jesus here. Getting ready to go in and do a faucet change out on a Symmons faucet. You don't see those very often, so we're going to step you through it, and hopefully you'll learn something and make it easy for you if you have to do the same thing. Here we go. Okay, I'm going to work on this Symmons Shower Control. The cold water seat is gone out. It's got a chip in it, so we're going to take that apart, and I'm going to show it to you and see what's going on in it, and we're going to change it out. So we're going to get started. We're going to take off the handle to begin with. Okay, we can take the handle off and we'll go from there. So this piece just pulls, it's just a little plastic cap, pulls right off. So we got that off. And you don't technically need to take this faceplate off, so I'll probably just leave it on. First off, I'm going to loosen this up a little bit. Right here. Get the handle on. Turn it on a little bit. Get the pressure off the seat so it's draining out. Take this loose right here. So there it is. Okay, we're going to take this assembly out. We've got it out, so we're going to put everything new back in here. I'm going to try to get real close in here so you can see the seat. Right there on the edge, the seat's actually cracked loose and missing, disappeared, or wore out, so we're going to change that out. So this is the new seat, the replaceable seat for the cold water side. We're going to take this out and put this in, take the old one out, which is still in there. We're going to put this one in here. So they comes with a special tool to let's see, special tool to put in there to remove that seat. This is this isn't something you get at Home Depot. You have to order this stuff. So anyway, here it is. We're going to put it in there, twist it off, and I'll show you exactly how it lines up and everything in just a second. Okay, we've got our removal tool in there. We got it broke loose, so now we're twisting it out, and we'll get that seat out, the cold water seat. So here it's coming. You got to be real careful with these so you don't strip them. So don't be too aggressive. Be kind of gentle when you're trying to break this loose. So don't think you can just put it in there and really go to town on it. Okay, there it is. So we've got it out. I don't know if you can see in there. See the star, the little triangle stars on the side. That's where this tool fits in there, and it bites. Of course, we use some blast to put in there to kind of loosen it up before we started. So anyway, we got the old seat out, and now we're going to put the new seat in. And I'm not sure if you can see right up in here. This is all corroded and gone. So the water is just leaking right past that. So you can see it right here now. Pretty good. Right in here. It's actually gone. Okay, I'm using some silicone grease over here all around the O-rings on the seat before I put it in. There's an inside O-ring and outside O-ring. So I'm putting some silicone grease in before I put it in, so that way it'll be ready to go when we put the rest of the faucet back together. Put this in there, lock it in. I'm going to give it a couple of turns. Make sure it's going in good. Yep. Get it in place. Snug it up. don't want to overdo it, but you want to put enough pressure on there so it's nice and tight. Okay, so that's now we got the old piece here, and we're going to take this apart and then screw it so you can see it coming out. There it is. And we have the new one right here. So we're going to put that in. It's already got a little grease on it right here. That's going in. Goes in very easy. Turns very easy. Has a new gasket here. New washer there. So quite a bit of difference between the old and the new. So okay. Make sure this is all the way up to here. Don't have it sticking way out here while you're putting it on, because you'll mess it up. So it should be pulled clear back. So anyway, we're going to put it in there. Tighten up the packing, or tighten up the packing nut here. So we put the plastic cap back on, put the handle back on, put the screw back on there. And of course we turned the water off out at the main, so forgot to say that to begin with. Anyway. So anyway, these are the parts that we replaced. These are all the parts we replaced. Here's our tools that we used. And so we've got all new inside the shower. So now we'll go turn on the water, make sure we don't have any things that are going wrong. Okay, I'm going to do a quick review of what we just did so you can see. I'm out here in the front of the house. We've replaced this piece, and then I wanted to get a better picture right here of the cold water seat, the replaceable cold water seat on the Symmons faucet. See, right? Let me see if I can point it out right here. Right in here, where it's just the water over time is eating it up. So when the seat, which was this, was right here, you can see right in here that it wasn't seating. And because it wasn't seating, it was leaking. And leaking pretty good too, so anyway. So we changed the whole thing out. We replaced the inside seat, which is here. So here's how it kind of looks inside the faucet, the body of the faucet. So this seat's right here, and of course I don't have this all. Well, this missing the part over here, but anyway, it screws in like that, clamps down on that. And that makes the hot water, and then this is the cold water seat. So it's got two different seats. So you let it out. Anyway, those pieces we replaced. The TA4, which was the seats, the two seats were a TA4. And then we had the spindle assembly, which was the T810, which is this piece. So comes with the removal tools for the seats, because these are specialized tools. You can't get these at Home Depot, so forget about that. Let's see, here they are. So anyway, there's the removal tools. This ordered this online from Amazon. I think it was 68 bucks. Got it the next day. So in the meantime, I had put a temporary O-ring on here just to keep it from leaking until I got back today. So anyway, that was just, this is not part of the kit or anything. It's just what I put on there to kind of seal it until I got the kit. So So this was in there, and it halfway sealed it. It didn't do a complete job, but it got it good enough to get us through for a couple of days. So there you go. Okay, we just got through doing the Symmons faucet. We've replaced the seat, the cold water seat, the hot water seat, and the assembly. So everything's new, no leaks, we're in good shape. Have a blessed day, keep walking with Jesus, and see you on the next video.